Hello friends, Running Kimono here, playing around in the Walgreens app this morning, and I found some deals that are hot. Great deals. If you want to do a special Valentine's Day gift for yourself, if it's toilet paper or the fancy Olay, you pick, and they're both tremendous deals, and we'll talk about it. But the first thing I want to do is wish everybody a very happy Valentine's Day. If you don't have a Valentine's Day, you pick which one of my cats you want to be your Valentine. You pick. And they all love you for following their mom's YouTube journey here, and they hope you have a very special day. If you've been following the channel for a very long time, you know there used to be a storyline with Pumpkin, our black cat. He is just a big personality, and he looks kind of shy in this picture, but I know a lot of you are always like, Pumpkin updates, Pumpkin photos. He's back home, and he says hi, and he says happy Valentine's Day. Okay, guys, first piece of business before we dive into the deals. The $6 register reward for the Crest deal is not printing. That started, I think, on Tuesday. Lots of you were sending me messages over on Instagram. Please be mindful that that $6, for whatever reason, I do not know, not printing. It is Walgreens. You'll have to get in touch with customer service, your store manager, or the Catalina company for a missed register reward. Hopefully, one of the three will help you out. For the purposes of this video, we are doing this curbside because the coupon codes are so big that's why we're doing it that way. You're going to order this through your cell phone, desktop computer, or tablet. You pick, and you're hitting that box on the left-hand side with the red check. Now, these are the coupon codes that I'm talking about. We're going to be using, I think, WAG10, and then one of these ones. I believe these are all expiring tomorrow or like tonight at midnight. So if you want to get on these deals, I would put your order in today, which is Valentine's Day, Wednesday the 14th. Okay, so deal number one. This is just for the, if you want more Scott in your stockpile, we're going to put 6 into a basket for $30. I know there was a deal floating around social media for 10 with the 7 back when you spend 40. The problem is your threshold of $40 after the IVC dips below. So I don't think most people got their $7 back. So that's why we're going with less. We're going to load this digital coupon, which is the $1 off manufacturer. Over on ShopMeum, there's another one. So you're going to need a receipt to photograph it for them. And then just to show you a $1 off, $7.50 off. And I used WAG10 purposely here because I wanted to use $20 in Walgreens cash. I didn't want to have to keep Jenga-ing the math, but that's $2.15 off using the code WAG10. Now to show you the overall basket, $30, $9.65 coming off with your IVC and WAG10, free curbside pickup, tax, and $1 off for $20.57. I would use $20 in Walgreens cash and pay 57 cents and call this a very good deal. If you need to stock up on this toilet paper, I think it's a smart one. Now, this next deal is a little bit of what everybody loves the most. We're going to need this booster loaded, which is 7 back when you spend 40. This is the only booster that we're using for this deal. This is of a one-time use as well. We're going to be grabbing one of these OLAY Super Serum, the night one, for $34.99. It's usually just under $50, like $46.99. This morning we got this, which is a $10 off of one of those OLAY Super Serums. If you've tried this, you know it's magic in a bottle. The P&G products are still on the promotion of spend 15, get back 5, and you will get it for this Olay Super Serum. The math is a bit wild for this one, so we're going to throw in $20, so 4 of these Scott toilet papers, and then we're going to load our 2 best friends, which is the $1 digital and then the $1.25 IVC, and it will be applied to all 4. So actually $5 will come off with this IVC coupon. So how lovely is that? So looking at the basket here with the digital coupons, we used the code HEART20 because we were over $50. The $1 Scott manufacturer, $5 of IVC, and then the $10 for the Olay Super Serum. The overall basket is $54.99, subtracting $12.80. So your total is still $42.19. So spend 40, get back 7. You've still accomplished that. Free curbside pickup, tax, $11 melting off. With your debit card, pay $33.72, and you're getting back $12.54. 7 for the booster, and then 5 for P&G. Not a bad little deal for you. And I mean, if you just wanted to spoil yourself this Valentine's Day, I know a lot of us love that Olay Super Serum. I love the night one. So I think this is the deal I will be doing. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one.